We know that the Earth orbits the Sun, but have you ever wondered what the Sun orbits? A question that prompts a sense of curiosity and intrigue. A question that encourages us to look beyond our blue planet and its fiery neighbor. Each day, we witness the Sun's journey across our sky, a journey dictated by the Earth's orbit around it. We've grown accustomed to this cosmic ballet, the Earth pirouetting on its axis, tracing a year-long path around our star. But is the Sun as stationary as it appears from our terrestrial vantage point? Far from it. Just as Earth is caught in a perpetual dance around the Sun, our Sun is not a wallflower in the cosmic ballroom. It too is in constant motion, tracing a path around an entity of staggering proportions. This brings us to an even bigger question, one that takes us deeper into the cosmos. So if Earth orbits the Sun, what cosmic dance is our Sun performing? Believe it or not, our Sun is spinning around the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. But what lies at the heart of our galaxy that our Sun is so attracted to? Well, nestled in the heart of the Milky Way, there exists a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. This colossal entity, about 4 million times more massive than our Sun, exerts a powerful gravitational pull that keeps our Sun, among many other celestial bodies, in a steady, predictable orbit. Now you may be envisioning our Sun whirling around Sagittarius A off-center. This orbit is inclined at about 60 degrees to the galactic plane, giving it a bit of a twist. As for the speed and duration of this cosmic waltz, our Sun travels at an average velocity of about 828,000 kilometers per hour. But don't let that number fool you into thinking this is a quick trip. The sheer scale of the Milky Way means that even at this speed, our Sun takes a staggering 230 million years to complete just one orbit. This period, known as a cosmic year or galactic year, is so lengthy that since its birth, our Sun has only completed about 20 orbits. So, while we on Earth mark our lives in years as we orbit our Sun, the Sun itself is engaged in its own celestial dance, orbiting the supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy. And just as our yearly journey around the Sun brings changes in seasons and climate, the Sun's galactic waltz too might bring about cosmic changes we are yet to fully understand. It's a long journey, taking our Sun about 230 million years to complete one orbit, also known as a cosmic year. Opening: if our Sun orbits the center of the Milky Way, what determines the Milky Way's course through the universe? Well, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Our Milky Way is not alone in the universe, it is in fact part of a larger cosmic neighborhood which includes other galaxies, cosmic structures, and vast empty spaces. So, the Milky Way's course isn't a random, aimless wander. It's guided and influenced by the gravitational forces exerted by these cosmic entities. One of the most significant players in the Milky Way's journey is our closest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are like two cosmic dancers, drawn towards each other by the irresistible force of gravity. They're on a collision course, moving towards each other at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second. But don't worry, this galactic merger is still about 4 billion years away. Now, while this cosmic tango with Andromeda is fascinating, it's not the only factor influencing our galaxy's path. The Milky Way, along with Andromeda and about 54 other galaxies, forms a part of the local group. This group is, in turn, a part of a larger cosmic structure known as the Virgo supercluster. The gravitational forces within the local group and the Virgo supercluster also have a say in our galaxy's journey through the universe. Additionally, there's something called dark matter, an invisible substance that we know very little about. Dark matter doesn't shine, absorb, or reflect light, but we know it's there because of the gravitational effects it has on galaxies, including our Milky Way. The distribution of dark matter in the universe also plays a crucial role in determining the Milky Way's course. So, the Milky Way's path is determined by a complex interplay of gravitational forces from visible and invisible entities in the universe. It's a cosmic ballet on a grand scale, with the Milky Way pirouetting through the universe. So, we've discovered that our Sun is not stationary, but rather it's part of a vast cosmic dance. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We began with the simple understanding that our Earth orbits the Sun, but then we took a step further and delved into the Sun's own orbit, realizing that it doesn't remain idle in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Instead, it partakes in a complex galactic waltz, revolving around the supermassive black hole at the heart of our Milky Way galaxy. Remember, this dance isn't a quick spin around the dance floor. It takes our sun approximately 225 million years to complete a single orbit. That's what we call a cosmic year. Yes, the last time our sun was in its current position, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam the Earth. But our journey didn't stop there. We explored the course of the Milky Way itself. While there's still a lot to learn and many theories to consider, we know that our galaxy isn't moving randomly. It's guided by the gravitational pull of other galaxies and celestial structures, as well as mysterious dark matter. It's a bit like we're on a cosmic roller coaster, with the tracks laid out by the forces of the universe. This knowledge gives us a new perspective on our place in the universe. We're not just inhabitants of Earth, orbiting the sun. We're passengers on a star, part of a galaxy, whirling through the cosmic dance floor of the universe. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring realization, isn't it? And the next time you glance up at the sun, or gaze at the night sky filled with stars, remember this journey. Remember how our sun, our planet, and indeed we ourselves are part of a much larger, grander dance. Next time you look up at the sun, remember we're all part of this grand cosmic waltz, spinning and twirling through the universe.